Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to convert WhatsApp account to WhatsApp business. So let's get right into it. Head over to your WhatsApp application. Once you're there, head over to the three dots icon, go to settings, and then as you can see, there is currently no option of changing my present WhatsApp account to WhatsApp business. So all I need to do is go to help and go to the help center. And then just ask for WhatsApp business. Once I ask in here, they will be able to give me a solution within 24 to 72 hours. And then I'll be able to change my WhatsApp to WhatsApp business. As you can see, there is already an option WhatsApp for business. If I go there, I can just go to setting up an account, and then I can change my account to WhatsApp business. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.